What's going on, guys? This is Tech Bacons, and today I got my hands on of the newly released VIVO Y76 Mobile Legends Edition. And this is not going to be a review rather than a hands-on or quick first impression of the device, since I only had a short period of time to testing it out. And again, special thanks to MMG Distribution for making this all possible. So without further ado, let's dive right into it.
So, starting with the unboxing, since it's collaborating with Mobile Legends, you'll get this unique box with Gushen and Guinevere pictures on the front. Inside the box, you are getting a silicone cover, a device itself, a pair of Vivo headphones, a SIM ejection tool, a Type A to Type C cable, and coupling with the included charging brick, you will get a fast 44W charging rate, and it will fully charge up your device just under 50 minutes. As for the phone itself, I'm pretty surprised by the build quality. The phone is slim and light, and despite having a back plastic panel, the phone feels premium, and the matte finish back makes the phone feel comfortable on the hands. Honestly, I'm okay with plastic panels because they are more durable for drops than glass panels. But there's a minor complaint when tapping on the back panel on the lower right. There's a slight gap between inside components. But I'm pretty nitpicking here and nothing is alarming about this. On the side, you got a fingerprint scanner, a volume rocker, on top you got a microphone and hybrid dual SIM slot with SD card expansion supported. And on the bottom, a headphone jack, another microphone, USB-C and a single firing speaker. Sadly, there's no dual firing ones. And here are some quick speaker samples for you guys. For the screen, you got a 6.58-inch 60Hz Full HD Plus LCD screen. Although you are not getting a punchy AMOLED screen here, colors and contrast are not bad for an LCD screen. The version I got is with 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM version. And under the hood, it has a Dimensity 700 5G chip. For day-to-day tasks, this phone will handle it no problem, and so far, I haven't noticed any hiccups when scrolling through Facebook or YouTube, etc. As for gaming, surely I must try out the Mobile Legends performance, and it turns out great. COD Mobile and PUBG turn out smooth too, but for heavier titles like Genshin Impact, a low setting with bloom turn off is the way to go if you seek a smooth gameplay experience. As for the camera, you got a 50MP primary sensor and a 2MP macro and depth sensor. And the camera module looks similar to the Big Brother's X70 series. Here are some quick snaps I took, and it looks pretty good for the primary sensor. The macro shot is okay and usable, but nothing to brag about. The selfie shot turned out okay and sharp enough, but it seems to struggle a bit under challenging bright conditions. There's a double exposure mode with live preview, which gives consumer easy access to this kind of photography without any post-editing hassle. And finally, there is also a dual video mode, which is convenient to those who want to vlog easily on their phones.
So, this pretty much sums up the quick hands-on and first impression of the newly released VIVO Y76. And if you guys are interested in this phone, I'll leave the link in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick hands-on, and if you guys are interested in this type of tech content, please hit that subscribe button. It will be much appreciated. And again, thank you guys for watching this quick hands-on. This is Tekkens Tech Bacons, and I'll see you guys soon on the next one.